In this video, my dear students and members of my channel Educating Using Technology and Engineering, we will know here about Python core, about object-oriented programming. So in object-oriented programming, we will solve a problem about juice maker. We will design a program about juice maker, which mixing between two juices, two types of juices with the capacity of each juice. So the problem here of juice maker, you are given a juice class which has a name and capacity properties. You need to complete the code to enable and adding of two juice objects, resulting in a new juice object with a combined capacity and names of the two juices being added, like a cocktail. For example, if you add an orange juice with one capacity, 1 liter of capacity, and an apple juice with 2.5 liter of capacity, the resulting juice should have the name orange and apple, and the capacity will be 3.5. You will add the two capacities, okay? So the names have been combined using an ampersand symbol, okay? Here, the problem maker or the problem designer suggests to use the add function. We will name a function as add method or function to define a custom behavior of the plus operator or the adding operator or the adding function for the two juices and return the resulting object. The resulting object which is orange and apple and 3.5. Okay. So when I start, he gave me class juice and all this class he gave me. Okay. And then this is the first method in the class, and there is another method which is str, and this the next, which adding the name to the capacity. Okay, and this one which I created, this program takes about 1 hour to complete. So I created this add. He suggests me to name it add. Okay, then the arguments is a and b. It's by the way, this code is written also, and this one the result a plus a. Okay, so I created this one, print a dot name plus the ampersand in quotation plus b dot name. Yeah, I take the a, which is the first juice, which is the orange and its capacity, and the second juice, which is the juice as variable b, and then I concatenating or adding its names between them the ampersand and. Okay, and then I added this one uh, uh, and then these parentheses and the a dot capacity plus b dot capacity will be added, and then and then this one is very important, sep equals double or quotations, this to eliminate any spaces in the sentence. So when we run this code, yes, it's okay, it's functioning, and this is the test case one. The input was orange and apple, and the output this orange and apple, and in parentheses 3.1, and this is the space which we take here. This is the space, as you remember here, this is the space, only one space we make it. Okay, okay, thanks for listening. I hope to subscribe in the channel and share this with your colleagues to extend our work. Thanks for listening.